Presiden jong ke United States Donald Trump ulaong ba karai pan penkut ya ka jingale hapdeng ke Iran bat ke Israel kandai karai lang hapdeng jong bat menteri rang badu ke Israel Benjamin Netanyahu. Hab ai jinge kren chakelat pathai khubor Donald Trump ulaong bawatla unshim ya karai ka bakhattu henrei ke jing ai jingmut jong ke Israel kandon benta ka bakongsan ha karai ban pensange ya ka jingale. Donald Trump ula pentip ru bau dangdon ha kajinga keren man kapor badu Benjamin Netanyahu kat ba kajinga kanat ha pedeng ke Iran bat ke Israel kadang jur ha kathan West Asia. Presiden ke United States ula kamba ke jingale sipai badangshen ke lakta jur ya kabor jingale jong ke Iran henrei shemla por batikna lanu en penkut ya kani ke jingale. Ula ong ba karai kan shong ha kajingya chaprang jong ke jingale ha kamadan Thma. Donald Trump ula kamru ba Lada omdon Benjamin Netanyahu ke Iran kala ban penjulor ya ke Israel. Kani ke jingga keren kala long tang hadiin ba kilat pathai khubor sorkar jong ke Iran kala penbana ba ka Assembly of Experts kala jit ya mujtaba Khamenei kon jong nong yalam ba khidu kari kum supreme leader batamai jong ke Iran.
With some observers speculating that he could have been wounded during the constant barrages. Iranian state news coverage has dropped a major hint about his condition, coming just hours after Mujtaba was formally named the new leader, and carefully avoiding any recent on-camera appearances. Almost immediately after pledging open allegiance to Mujtaba, the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps marked his rise by firing 3 of its deadliest missile types in a massive show of force. Panic swept across Israel as those missiles formed the backbone of the first mega-attack claimed in Mujtaba's name, while at the same time the US military confirmed that its own combat death toll in the region continues to climb. Hours after Mujtaba Khamenei was officially named Iran's new supreme leader, a significant new twist emerged with state media hinting that he may have been injured in the ongoing war. Iran International